Hey guys, we are going to make a dress and shoot a look that's inspired by SZA at the Grammys. So we're going to Fabrics R Us in San Jose. I've been there a few times. They have really good fabric. I've done like past projects there, but today I'm looking for two types of fabrics. One's gonna be yellow, kind of flowy, and then the second one will be a tulle tan fabric. So can't wait to see what I find in there. Got it! So the first fabric is a yellow chiffon. I wanted something very light, very flowy, and I found it. I got about 6 yards of this, and I'm gonna use it to drape the background for a photo shoot that I will do later. All of this. It's a tan tulle fabric, and I got 6 yards of this too. After Fabrics R Us, we went to get Palmetto, which is an acai bowl place, but can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna create. Okay, I'll update you guys later. Bye. So today's the day we're gonna be shooting the dress that I made. It did take a few days to like sew everything and put all the flowers together, but I'm really excited and happy with how it came out. I'm just finishing up my makeup, but I thought I would share with you guys what I use. I don't really share the products that I use, even though I work in the beauty industry, but I want to change it and share some of the things that I really love, and I use it like every day. I have is the Ula oil control hydrator. It helps with my skin. My skin gets very like oily, so this kind of helps with any shine. T Beauty soft lit foundation. I have 2 of these like in my cabinet right now for backup if this runs out or I lose it, but I love this. Fenty Beauty brow MVP for my eyebrows. And for the blush is KVD Good Apple. I actually use this on my cheeks, and then I add a little on my lips along with these other products on my lips. A lip balm, Pout Preserve, Fenty Beauty Traced Out Lip Liner, and then I get this. It does come a little matte looking, so I use the Fenty Beauty lip oil, and this one is in Frosted Buns, so I kind of add this on the top for some like gloss, and it looks very pouty and pretty cute like that. I don't have, man, it's in the bathroom, but along my eyes, if you see, it's kind of shimmery, and I added it like right here on the ends of like my cheekbone. It is Diamond Balm from Fenty Beauty. A lot of my stuff is from work, so you guys will see a lot of Fenty Beauty products that I'm using for my shoots. I'm just getting ready every day, but I really love them. They're pretty good. What else do I have to put on? Oh, Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. This is just the powder that I always use, and I just use it to like blot my face if there's any shine or moisture so I can pat it to make it look more matte. I used this during my wedding also, and it really helped a lot throughout the day to like touch up my makeup. Okay, so that is my makeup routine. So I am going to change and I'm going to put my outfit on. As you can see, this is the setup. Andrew helped me with putting this setup and backdrop off. So our apartment's kind of like crazy. Okay, I'll show you guys my outfit in just a bit. Okay, so I have my outfit on. The top is still a little like multiple parts that I need to put on, but you guys can see the different parts in a little bit. But here is a skirt. For the top, I wanted to have like detachable flowers. So these are the flowers that I'm trying. So they will be like right here. So I'll put them on in a bit. Here is the final result. Here's my top. I added the detachable flowers, but it turned out really cute. I'm really excited about it. Okay, I think we're ready to shoot now.